It's official. US tariffs have just surged to historic levels, sending shockwaves through the global economy and leaving governments, businesses, and investors scrambling to respond. Nearly every major economy is now feeling the impact, as the new tariffs target a vast range of imports from countries around the world. Here's what you need to know about this unprecedented move and what it could mean for the future of international trade. At exactly 9:27 a.m. BST on August 1st, President Trump signed an executive order that will be remembered for years to come. This order launches the highest U.S. tariffs since the 1930s, a move reminiscent of the protectionist policies that once shaped the world's economic landscape during the Great Depression. The new base tariff rate is now set at 15% for most countries, a significant jump that will affect everything from electronics to clothing, automobiles to agricultural products. But the pain isn't spread evenly. Switzerland faces a staggering 39% tariff, while Canada, one of America's closest trading partners, is hit with a 35% rate. Syria tops the list with a punishing 41% tariff, making trade with the US nearly impossible for many Syrian businesses. Mexico, however, managed to negotiate a 90-day delay, giving its exporters a brief window to adjust before the new rates take effect. China, the world's second-largest economy, isn't affected just yet, but the threat is looming. A 30% tariff could hit Chinese goods if ongoing negotiations fail to produce a deal by August 12th. For most countries, these tariffs officially kick in on August 7th, giving importers just days to prepare for the new reality. Canada, however, faces immediate implementation. Its new rates are already in force, catching many businesses off guard. There's a small reprieve for goods already in transit before August 7th. As long as they arrive by October 5th, they'll be exempt from the new tariffs. After that, the higher rates apply to everything. The fallout was immediate and dramatic. Global stock markets tumbled within hours of the announcement as investors tried to gauge the long-term impact. Asia-Pacific stocks slid over 1%, with traders in Tokyo and Hong Kong bracing for further volatility. South Korea's KOSPI index plunged 4%, reflecting deep concerns about export-driven economies. Major European indices opened sharply lower, with some markets seeing their worst start in months. Canada's Prime Minister called the move disappointing, warning of serious consequences for jobs and growth. Around the world, leaders are voicing outrage. Some are already discussing boycotts, retaliatory tariffs, and even legal action at the World Trade Organization. For businesses, the new tariffs mean higher import costs, squeezed profit margins, and the likelihood of price hikes for consumers. Supply chains are already feeling the strain, with delays, disruptions, and uncertainty clouding the outlook for the rest of the year. Stay tuned and subscribe for updates. This is just the beginning of a global trade shakeup that could reshape economies and industries for years to come. As the world reacts to these sweeping changes, we'll keep you informed on every twist and turn in this unfolding story.